Alright, this video is on making sketches of graphs of polynomials. A lot of things going on right here. First of all, degree of 5. That tells us how many directions the thing's going to go in. So we know it's going to go in 5 different directions. Leading coefficient's positive. Well, think about it. We have an odd degree with a positive lead. Odd means it's going to be a line or has the end behavior of a line, and then it's positive. So it's a line with a positive slope. So it looks like that. So that means my end behavior is down, up. Now, these two things, multiplicities and zeros. What I'll look at are bounces and crosses. The number of bounces and the number of crosses has to equal the number of zeros. Remember, zeros are just x-intercepts. A multiplicity is a special type of x-intercept. A multiplicity is where it bounces off the x-axis and doesn't actually cross through. So this is a multiplicity of 1, which tells me it has 1 bounce. Now, I have to have 2 total x-intercepts. Well, if I have 1 bounce, then I have to have 1 cross to equal the number of zeros. All right? So 1 bounce, 1 cross. So here's how we sketch this. End behavior is down, up. So I know this side's going down. Take care of your bounces and your crosses. 1 bounce, 1 cross. Now, count the number of directions that you currently have. 1, 2, 3. I have to have a degree of 5. So that means 4 directions, 5 directions. But it can't come in contact with the x-axis again because I've already taken care of my bounces and crosses. So that's a sketch of what this graph could possibly look like. Y-intercepts don't count as bounces or crosses. All right? Doesn't matter what they are. Just ignore the y-intercept. So let's look at another one. Alright, I want you to try to sketch this one on your own, so pause the video and sketch a graph, please. Alright, hopefully you're done sketching at this point. Degree of 6 tells me that there's going to be 6 total directions. It is even number, and it has a negative lead. So an even degree with a negative leading coefficient. That's a parabola, and a negative parabola goes upside down. So we know that end behavior is going to be down, down. Now let's look at bounces and crosses. Bounces and crosses. The number of multiplicities tells me the number of bounces. So that means there's going to be 1 bounce right here. These two numbers, bounces plus crosses, has to add up to give 3. So if I have 1 bounce, that means I need to have 2 crosses. All right? Now we're going to take care of this. So we know the end behavior is down on the left-hand side. I'm going to take 1 bounce. I have 2 crosses, so cross 1, 2. Now count the number of directions. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I need 6 directions, which means I need to change directions 2 more times and not touch the x-axis. So 5, 6. That's a sketch of what your graph could possibly look like. If you have any questions, raise your hand, call me over, and I'll be more than happy to help you.